everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. I hope everyone's having a great day. I have a DIY project that I wanted to do in real time, basically. I bought a very old Fendi pouch from the 80s. They come in a box like this. If you've never seen the vintage Fendi boxes, and the paper is like this. And they come with this little tag, basically. So if you ever see those online, sometimes they're in really good condition, sometimes they're not. And Fendi does not repair any of their purses or pouches, etc. So you have to kind of judge to see if it's really worth it or not. This one was worth it. This one was only $35 US. So even if I didn't repair it, it still was a good deal. All right, because basically it's just a coin pouch, and this is all leather. This is like a fabric. It's not really canvas, it's more fabric, and it has leather inside, and it has a really nice key holder. This is from the 80s. Look at that key holder. There's nothing worn on it. It's pretty remarkable, basically. But this was really super sticky. The inside is okay. The inside's all leather. So, and the leather part of it, is okay. But the material part of it, it was super sticky. So what I did was I put some liquid soap. I used Dawn, and then I scrubbed it a little bit. Not really, don't do it like super hard, but with a soft brush, I brushed all the sticky off. I stuffed it, and I let it dry. So this is the aftermath, and you get this wear marks, which were there anyways, with the sticky on top, basically. All right, so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some shoe polish, and I'm going to clean all this up, make it look a little bit better, and make sure that if you're going to be doing this to any of your items, this is what I'm doing to my items. I'm not responsible for anything that is ruined on your end. This is my end. All right, so you do that at your own risk. All right, let's go ahead and get started. And if you'd be so kind as subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, tell a friend, because when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm doing a SLG giveaway along with a very hard to find Disney item. So make sure that you subscribe. That's all you gotta do. Super easy, and it's free. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on paper cloth. So let me go ahead and turn the camera down a little bit. All right, so you kind of see here what I'm doing. All right, I'm gonna use some gloves. Just regular shoe polish, nothing elaborate. I think I may only need one glove. This is a chamois. This is just a rag, a clean one. All right, and this is just regular shoe polish, kiwi and black. All right. It comes with a little sponge. Okay, just put a little bit on. You don't have to put like a lot. All right, and then what I would suggest is holding it, and then just dab. And when you've covered most of it, all you do, basically, see? Okay, that's pretty good. You don't have to coat it on there. Little is actually better. Okay. All right, look at the difference. And that was only with a few swipes. All right, and then what you do, make sure that you get the ends fairly good. All right, that looks good. All right, just take the chamois, roll it up a little bit, and then just kind of buff it. See? Just kind of buff a little bit, and then basically all you do is you let it dry. You just put it somewhere, you just put a few tissue in it just to kind of keep the shape a little bit. And then you have pretty much good as new. You can use this for a key holder. You can use it for like a key clay, like in your Louis. All right. See the difference? Yeah, I just can't really believe that. Look how good that is. It has no, this is from the 80s. No, it's pretty remarkable. All right, that helps that out. And you don't have to do the inside because the inside is good. All right. And then all I do is, I'll just take my glove off. Let me put the camera up here. And that's how easy it is. It's not really too complicated. Just roll up the rag that you didn't use. Put it in there. Just so it kind of like keeps its shape. All right, and then just let it dry, and that's all you got to do. So I hope that was helpful. Some of these items you can't really do too much with, but like, for example, my white Fendi bag that has all the spidering, you can't really do much with that. The only thing you could do is maybe paint, you know, but you got to be really good at that, and that takes forever, and I would probably just mess it up worse than it is, so I would just probably leave that alone. But if you're talented, I mean, you may be able to do maybe a design or something would be kind of cool. But for anything that is sticky, you may want to, you know, check out different options. So that's just what I do to my items. All right? So until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. I hope you have a great day, guys, and thanks again for watching. Bye now.